Hop into the 2018 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, electronic stability control. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.